This story is called Tui in the Kōwhai Tree.
Winter was nearly over. The little Kōwhai tree stood quietly on the hillside. Makariri, whispered Kōwhai. I will sleep a little longer. One sunny morning, Tui flew by. Flap, flap, flap. Tui, Tui, he sang. The warm sun shone down. The soft rain fell. Tiny green leaves began to appear. Kia ora, Kōwhai, sang Tui. Spring is here. The Kōwhai tree stretched her branches. Little golden flowers opened one by one. Pop, pop, pop. Kia ora, Tui, said Kōwhai. My flowers are ready. Tui dipped his beak into the sweet nectar. Sip, sip, sip. Tui, Tui, Tui. His song rang across the valley. The bees came buzzing. The butterflies came dancing. And all around New Zealand, spring had sprung.
Waiata Tui, singing in the Kōwhai tree, e roto I te rākau. Kōwhai, Kōwhai blooms, puawai Kōwhai rā. Tui loves the golden flowers, he tino a te haua.